Vanakkam, Suki Sivam speaking. Prevention is better than cure. Thiruvalluvar, the famous Tamil poet, says, one must guard himself against coming evil. Otherwise, his life will be lost like a straw before fire. Prevention is better than cure is the prescription of the Western world. Now we are being advised to learn to live with Corona. We should also learn to protect ourselves from Corona. To fulfill our official and social commitments, we have to venture outside our homes. We face an invisible enemy in the form of a virus. In the absence of safety precautions, we will be exposing ourselves to the infection. So we should ensure that we are adequately protected. Do maintain social distancing. Frequent washing of our hands should become our daily habit. Sanitizer, disinfectant spray should be our constant companions. We should not feel embarrassed or awkward to wear our mask, gloves, face shield. We should never forget to spray the sanitizer in our vehicles, in our offices, car seat, our work table, and other items of furniture must be sanitized frequently. Beware and choose the right product to promote safety. That is very important. The brand you choose should be a very safe one. Never compromise on quality just to save money. Never use sprays with harmful chemicals which may result in irreparable damage to your skin and lungs. Select green products. Select nature-friendly products to nurture your health and safety. Marico's Travel Protect is a nature-friendly product. It contains neem, which is a very powerful disinfectant. To cite a simple example, all of us are aware that neem leaves and turmeric have always been associated with goddess Mariamman in South India. Luckily, Travel Protect combined our ancient wisdom and modern custom by using neem with a rectified spirit. Travel Protect is indeed your personal bodyguard. Travel safe, travel with Travel Protect. When you are in house, House Protect is also available. Marico's Travel Protect and Marico's House Protect will save you from this virus. Thank you.